Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
Today I decided to wheel a table into the front yard so I could conduct this review right in our midsummer hot pepper garden. I've been looking forward to this because today I'm going to try 2 products from Rick's Hot Sauce Experience, a new spicy foods producer for 2020. Rick Christman and his wife Sandy reside in Schenectady, New York, where they are producing several varieties of hot sauce and pickles. Unfortunately, the first box Rick sent was damaged in transit, and he had to send a second shipment. Luckily, that box arrived intact. Here's what I found inside: a bottle of his Caribbean Heat pepper sauce and a jar of These Ain't Your Grammy's bread and butter pickles with Carolina Reaper. I really love bread and butter pickles. These are made using Cindy's family recipe, which Rick has spiced up with the addition of Carolina Reaper. I've been looking at this jar longingly ever since it arrived last week, so I'm super stoked to crack it open and devour the contents. Let's get started. Those are spicy. Not extremely hot, but boy, they sure are good. Brown sugar, onions, salt, mustard seed, celery seed, cinnamon, Reaper powder, or Reaper pepper, sorry, turmeric, sugar, and ground ginger. Yum. Now, for me, here's the real test. Ever since I was a teenager, my go-to sandwich has been peanut butter with bread and butter pickles. I know that many of you have a disgusted look on your face right now, but if you like peanut butter and you like pickles, I think you should at least give it a try. So that's why I've prepared a couple of crackers with peanut butter so that I can put these pickles to my ultimate test. Are they sandwich worthy? Or I guess in this case, cracker worthy. Let's find out. Yum, 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 yum. Definitely. I'll be eating these for lunch for several days. So I really, really love these. They're delicious. I wish they were even spicier, but they're really, really good. Now, let's move on to the hot sauce. Okay. So the pickles were amazing, so let's see about the sauce. The ingredients are chili pepper, Carolina Reapers, papayas, apple cider vinegar, yellow onion, brown sugar, ginger, dry mustard, honey, coriander, garlic, salt, turmeric, and cumin. That's a nice list of ingredients. Got our old staple Cars table water crackers here. Papaya and mustard are ingredients in my favorite Trinidadian sauces, and I really enjoyed the Dialitas sauce with mustard I tried in my last review video. So let's give it a taste, but no peanut butter this time. No restrictor on this one, so be careful. Actually, I'm going to set down the cracker. It's really thick. May have to retrieve my fork here and use it to okay, here we go. That's a really nice spice blend. Sometimes when you see so many spices, then sometimes it's just too much and the flavor is just like too complex, but this is really, really good. Again, you know, maybe I'm just jaded because I eat so much extremely hot food, but I would not say that this is an extremely hot sauce for my taste. But I don't equate, you know, heat with flavor. I think it's really, really quite delicious. The fruitiness of the papaya, just a hint of mustard, ginger, and the other spices. I think this is really, really good. So I really like both of these products, and I encourage you to support Rick and Cindy's new business by visiting rickshotsauceexperience.com and trying their products. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I'd like to see if Rick can make a version of this that's even hotter, like the sauces that I used to get from Trinidad back when I played in the Soca Calypso band years and years ago with all my Trini friends. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell to receive a notification each time we post a new episode. Check out all our 7-Pot Club and hot pepper related merch at 7pot.club/merch. And for even more 7-Pot Club, follow our daily exploits on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. For 7-Pot Club, I'm Rob.